All right, guys, you can hear me and you can see my screen. Hit the comment section. Hit the comment section. Let's go. Great. You can see me. You can see my screen. Hit the comment section. Hit the comment section. Let's go. You can hear me. You can see my screen. Hit the comment section. Hit the comment section. Let's go. We're live. We're live. We're live. Let's go. We're live. We're live. We're live. Let's go. All right. First of all, let me I just woke up not too long ago, so let's get started. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys, welcome. You are all welcome. You are all welcome. Share the link. Share the link. Hit the like button. Share the link. Hit the like button. Share the link. Hit the like button. Let's go. Now, we are looking at pairs today. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning to Caleb Trader. Good morning to Gift. Oden, Gift. Good morning. Then Samson. Good morning. Omwami. Good morning. Can hear me clear and sound. Good. Peters. Good morning, Peter Davids. Listen. Hit the like button. Let's go. How many of you were on our last live trading section where we did live trade? You got it? How many of you were there? You saw the trade we took. How many of you took that trade? Live section, remember? So today we want to see if we can see opportunities for those of you. Start by GU, sir. Okay, I'll go with GU. Don't worry. That's my pair. I'll go with GU if you want me to. Oh, look at GU. But GU is still consolidating. It's not ready yet. But I'll look at it. I took it. Good. That was a massive drop. Yeah, you saw it. Oh, you were stopped out. Why? What happened? Your stop loss was too tight or what? That trade went direction. Maybe go and watch the video again. Maybe it's not that one you took. Because the trade we did live sold massively. It sold massively. My goodness. In fact, it exceeded our TP. It just went crazy. You know, that's crazy. Like, wow, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It went crazy. All right, so let's look at some pairs. We're going to look at some pairs. I'm just waiting for more people to come in. Hit the like button, guys. Come on, smash the like button. If you're watching this video right now, smash the like button. I need to see that we are together here. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. We're about to launch right now. You ready? Ready, ready. Ready, ready, ready. No distractions right now, guys. No distractions. We are on. All right. We have about 20 something people already. Hit the like button. I need more people to be here quickly so we can get started. Share the link. Share the link. Tell them in the group that we are here. Tell them in the group we're live. We're in. We're in. We're in. Let's go. Oh, is it I was greedy for more than? Oh, come on. Anyway, that's part of psychology. You have to learn the hard way. A lot of people don't like taking profit when profit is given. Just take it. I mean, you are not the one that make the market do what it does. So you just have to take whatever the market gives you, though. So you have a personal account. What do you mean personal account? Yeah, I started trading my personal account now. Since my forex fund took my funded account away, so at the moment I'm just trading my personal account, just thinking. I don't know if I want to go with Profem at the moment, but I'm still thinking about it. Even though many of them just look so enticing. A lot of them are so enticing, very enticing. But there's one I would look into. I will share with you guys. I'm looking at them. I'm in their Telegram. What do you call it? I'm in their Discord group. I'm watching them. I'm watching them. They seems to be very reliable. So far, payout is just like every now and then. I can see the payout is good. I'm watching them. I have not signed up with them, but I'm just watching. They have a funded. They have a fund. You can have direct funding. You can have one-time challenge. You can have, and the rules are not that bad. But I'm watching them. So if I'm going to take an account with them, I can only take a funded account with them, and then just make withdrawals and fund my personal account straight up and then leave them. That's it. Okay, let's look at the trade that we have right now. We're ready. Let's go. We'll talk about other things like that later. Okay, first of all, this is GU, guys. So I'm just going to clear the screen, clear my chart so you can see. All right. Now, if I go to just looking at the market, we can tell that it's bearish, right? The market is bearish. And looking at what it's doing, the market is in the phase of consolidation. So this is what consolidation means. Now, if you check the consolidation, what do you see? The market is still creating lower highs. It's still creating lower highs on the consolidation. It's still creating lower highs. That's telling you that it's still maintaining the trend overall. It's still maintaining the trend overall. So the market will still going to sell. But the only problem is at the extremely oversold. It's now at the edge. It's struggling to even push even down more. I can see that. But the only way we can see the proper direction overall in long term is to look at the daily time frame and the weekly. First of all, let's look at the weekly. With the weekly, we can see that the market is actually bullish in one way because of breaking several structures to the upside. This structure was broken, this structure was broken, and to the upside. So to me, I'm looking at this recent push up that the market is doing. So that's what I'm looking at. But you see, if it's going to continue to the downside, this low must be broken. So we should consider market structure here on the weekly time frame, right there. So we could consider market structure there on the weekly time frame. So if that structure break, that means this recent high and low, higher high, this push that gave us this recent higher high is taken out. Okay, then we'll look. Now, last week we saw that this one was taken out. This structure here was taken out, and then we sold. Okay, we continue selling because that structure was taken out. Now, this time we want this low to be taken out, but because the market is close to this low right here, that previous structure low right here, the market is close to it, and because it's close to it, it's slowing down. That is the reason why the momentum is slowing down on the lower time frame, because it's coming to tap into this order block that he created on the weekly, this structure order block here. So he's already tapping into it right now, is in there. So it's slowing down. The pressure is slowing down. But you see, we want to see whether it breaks. If it breaks, then we are selling more. But if it doesn't break, then we have to think about it. This week, if it doesn't break this week, remember, this is the weekly candle. This candle is just still starting. It's just starting. It hasn't even done anything rather than that small sale we got yesterday. And the candle is appearing indecision right now. It's just still playing on. This was last week candle, but with the last week candle, we can predict that it's going to drop to break this structure because of the structure, the candlestick behavior of the last week. Now, but that is not a guarantee. It could reject when it gets here and start going back up. But remember, there's FOMC coming in this week. So FOMC coming in and many other news coming in may want to break this trend, break that line, that psychological level of 1.2300. If we break that psychological level of 1.2300 to the downside, then we are looking at the market coming to this low, which is 1.221, a minimum of 1.21 or 1.2000. So that means we should be looking at overall stretch of this market to 1.21, 1.2000, like this level, because of this multiple reaction here. So I could go with 1.2100. All right, that price will come to eventually if it breaks. Okay, price could come there if it breaks. Let me just use proper psychological level 2 so you can understand it. Where's my 2? We'll just put it on 120, 20, 21, 121. Yeah, 121. So we have 121, 100. So that is if it breaks. Okay, if it breaks, we're looking at 12100. If it breaks, eventually breaks this 12300. If it breaks 123, it's going straight to 121. But before he does that, he needs to break this structure for that to happen. So for now, we doubt if that's going to happen. That's not going to be what we're going to be looking at. Oh, it's going to happen. It's going to happen. We're not sure yet until we find a break. If that break happens, that means another beautiful 200, 300 pips is on the go to catch. Now, let's go to the daily. And if you look at the daily, it doesn't look so nice, isn't it? It doesn't look so nice because the previous day candle indecision. That is not a good sign. So we want to see that the market is ready to now actually push to the downside. First of all, why would the market give us that indecision? Indecision is gathering momentum. If today ends by indecision and then tomorrow, then we're looking at a push up. That means the market wants to go back up. It doesn't want to come down. So in that retrospect, this low is not broken. So for that reason, on the weekly time frame, we are still bullish. So the market will reverse to become bullish. and then we'll start looking for more buys after all. But at the moment, we are selling because from the daily, the market started selling from 2700, 2800. Market started dropping from 2800. Actually, from 2800, we started seeing a sell because that was when structure was broken. We started seeing a massive sell. All this while we've been seeing that sell coming. But is it going to stop now? It is only when we get to 120, 300 that we know that that is going to happen. Until we get there, we're not sure yet. But if you can't break 120, 300, then we're looking at price going back up. And then we should be looking at structure break before we start looking at possible buys. Structure break as in market breaking this high, which is breaking above 12500. From that 124 is going back to 125, about 100 pips above. Then we can tell that, okay, the market is ready to start buying. So that's the first structure that you need to break. The first structure that you need to break is this 12500. You have to break that up before we start looking for buys. But at the moment, the market is consolidating. It's a pure consolidation. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, it's clearer now that the market is consolidating. We can see since yesterday, the market has been playing around this box right here. Okay, so this is a consolidation phase. So at the moment, we want it to break out. Break out to do what? Give us opportunity. Give us a sign. Where do you want to go? Is it going to break to the upside or break to the downside? Where do you want to go? So it depending on the strategy that you are trading. Okay, depending on the strategy that you're trading. But I'm expecting, based on my strategy, I'm expecting the market to break above to take out liquidity to the upside before I look for opportunity to sell. All right, guys, give me a minute. I just need to pick this call. Give me a sec. Sorry about that. Okay, we're back on. Okay, now so we want price to break above. So what I'm looking at on GU, based on my trading strategy, and my student understand that, so it's just for price to take out liquidity. I want price to take out that liquidity, then I will sell. So if it doesn't do that, I'm not going to sell. I need that action. But if it breaks to the downside, if it breaks to the downside and take out liquidity first, then I know I'm going to buy from 2300. That means what listen to this. Listen, let me tell you the reason why I will look for, I will not trade it. Let me say, first of all, if it breaks to the downside, I'm not going to trade it. If it just break now and comes to the downside, I'm not going to trade it. Why? Because I'll watch out for price to break the structure first. It need to break this low. If price doesn't break this low, I'm not going to trade it because already it's heading there. So if it break that low, then I'll wait for opportunity for price to pull back, then before I sell again. So that's the structure. That's the way I trade. I trade according to trend. My strategy is designed to respect the trend of the market. When the market is consolidating, I'm out. I don't trade it. My strategy doesn't allow me, so it takes me out. My strategy doesn't even allow me to trade a trend, a consolidation. So I don't even look at it. I don't force it. If I see that I can't find my 6 points of getting into the trade, I can't find it, then that's a consolidation market for me. I can trade it. So remember, you always have your trading plan. There are things you're looking at for to see before you execute your trade. If you don't have that, then you need a training and you need a coaching. You need a mentorship. If you don't have that, you need that. Because if you can't say, I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 point or whatever, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 point, you're looking for something and you can't find that on the chart. If you don't have a list of what you're looking for before you get into a trade, then you're not ready to trade. You're gambling. Quote me anywhere. I said it. It's true. You're gambling. I don't care who they say they're professional. They don't look at things. They don't have a plan. I mean, you don't have a plan. What are you doing? Why are you trading anyways? You say, well, I just want to make quick money. That's why you're losing more. The quest to make quick money makes you lose more. Follow the process. Tell yourself, I'm going to follow the process. I know some people don't like me when I'm talking like this. They say, yeah, I started again. I'm telling you the truth, bro. No, it's not about flashing things. It's about following process. Okay, so on GU, it's not ready. Are you guys clear with that now? So there's another pair I've been eyeing. Let me see. Oh, look at this. Did you see what just happened? Now, this may happen on GU. This is GA right now. This may happen on GU. It may happen. Okay, I'll come to this in a moment. Okay, now this is the pair I'm waiting for. I want us to look at this pair because we're trading it. Firstly, this is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, let me remove this. What pair is this? This is Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD. GU is not ready. GU is not ready, guys. So we are not trading it. Don't even try to force yourself into trading GU because it's not ready. Don't push it. Let it break out. Go whichever side it goes. That will tell you where to trade. Don't push it. Don't try to trade it. So stay away from that. Now, I'm looking at Euro AUD. All right. Now, looking at Euro AUD, beautiful trend is happening right here on Euro AUD. Structure broken. We see several structures broken here. We can see price breaking multiple structures, as you can see here, and here. We see that, and now this massive drop, and then we see price retracing now back up here. Okay, that's what price is doing, retracing back up there. Now the question is, how do we trade this? It's already on. Okay, it's already on. The market is ready to start selling. It's selling already though, but it had to be confirmed. Why? Because there is a minor structure here that need to be broken. So this structure need to break, and then confirming that it's going to go all the way down to take out that low. So let me show you what I mean on the 1-hour time frame. You get it. So this is a sell market established. Okay, this is a sell market established. So what we need to do is to go to the 1 hour, and I want to look for a trade on this. Okay, so first of all, I saw a massive drop. This was a massive drop, swing high to swing low, that happened. So this was the impulsive move that take place in the market. So for me, I will look at this impulsive move with my feet and drag it all the way down, and then it's speaking languages to me. So you see multiple reactions to what? To the 61, multiple reactions to the 61. For me, that is telling me the retracement is done. So it's going down. Is going down. So what? First, we have this move that broke this structure. This is multiple structure here. You get it? So we see that price broke this high by pushing up. Okay, so this is the push that established it. Okay, so for me, how am I going to get in if this push is not broken? So this is what I want to see. A break of this push, and then a pull back into somewhere this zone, which is structure. And then I look for price action there, and I'm going to sell. Do you see what I'm looking at? This is the way I see the market. So at the moment, it gave me a push up. How am I sure that this sell is going to continue? Okay, it created liquidity. Let me undo this. You see what the market did? It created liquidity after breaking this high. Okay, it created liquidity pool here, and then now it took the liquidity out first, but it needs to break this structure so that we will not be trapped. We need to know that it's ready to start going up. A break, a pullback into the structure, which it took out as a retest, and then from there I'm going to look for sale. That's one way I'm going to trade this one. Very simple, very straightforward, but you need to understand what the market is doing. Okay, that's what I'm looking at on this one. But there's still more. Okay, there's still more. I can decide to get in early, and that's aggressive. This is conservative style of trading. For me, if I want to be conservative, this is what I do. I just wait for structure to be clear, everything clear, and I'll get in. But if I want to be aggressive, I can decide to take another route. And let me see if I can be able to go into that today. How do I trade this aggressively? Very simple. All I need to do is come over here, try this out. So I see structure here, and I'm targeting this low. So for that reason, that's what I would do. So here will be alternative. Now I can decide to work on this fib a bit just to be let me see, just to be more clear with it. I can decide to turn on minus 20, minus 27. All right, let me leave that one there as a reasonable TP area. So okay, what am I looking for now on this setup? What am I looking for? Very important that you understand. First of all, pay attention to the trend line. Is broken. Okay, trend line is broken already, so that means it's a sell market. So we see impulsive move that broke structure, small structure there. All right, impulsive move. So possibly it's not pulling back yet. So why is it not pulling back yet? Because it's targeting structure. He want to target the structure low. So what that means for me is, if he's going to do that, I will wait for it to do it. Let it take it out, and then a pullback, any slightest pullback, I'm getting in and I'm targeting this zone. So what that means is that I'm going to be looking for to short when price broke up below this and pull back, and I'm looking for short at that level. And then I'll put my stop loss right there, and I'll target this zone as 1 to 2, simple 1 to 2 trade, and I'm done. I don't need to push it. I don't need to just try to force things, because the reason I'm targeting that 1 to 2 is because of this structure. The market will want to break the structure and then push a little bit lower if it's selling. So he wants to do that, and that will correspond with the 4-hour target. So on the 4-hour, this is what I'm looking at actually. So for that reason, I'm targeting that low. I'm targeting that region based on this trade. So this trade is getting ready. It's a setup. So it's getting ready right now. Let me see. And I need to put I'm putting an alert there, so that whenever price break below that level, I'm gonna get an alert on that trade. So let's look at something else. This is Euro GBP, and Euro GBP just broke structure to the eye. So we're seeing a pullback happening already, and we're looking at this order block as a structure, and it's already tapped a little bit into it because of this week. You see this week to the left. You see this week to the left. It came all the way down, rejected at that week. Right there. For those of you that trade this pair, you see that beautiful, beautiful intersection there. Did you see what it did? Smacked that. You see, it break above it. He used it as a support. Break, came back to use it as a support. So, but it's still coming down. Again, it's still coming down. So looking at this is okay. For what is it doing? Well, we'll wait again for it to come over there. So we want to wait again for it to come over there. So how do you catch this kind of trade? How do you take advantage of this kind of trade? Well, it's a bullish market. As you can see, it's bullish. You're supposed to be looking for buys. Okay. Let me see what you think. If you want me to explain that more, hey, come on, hit the like button. About 42 of you are watching, and it's more than that actually. But I want you to hit the like button. We should get a minimum of 40 likes right now. Let's go before I explain this, because some of you are just waiting for me to unleash that idea. How do you get into this trade right now? Hit the like button. Come on, guys, hit the like button. Let me see. How many of you doing that? You like what you're doing? This is free stuff, right? But very highly educational. You know, I don't give garbage. I give stuff. So this is real stuff right here. I mean, real stuff. So hit the like button, hit the right button. In fact, anyone who is a trader, who knows how to trade and is listening to me now, knows that I'm giving stuff. I'm not giving fake. I'm not giving out garbage. I'm not talking garbage. I'm talking price action. They can tell. So hit the like button. And if they don't agree, they should come up and ask questions. I'm challenging them to come up and ask questions. All right. Come on, hit the like button, guys. Let's go and share this video. Share it, because we need to tell people, show people how to trade. We don't have to charge you 1 million to learn this thing. We don't need to charge you 500 to learn this thing. This is free. Come on, you can learn it. You can learn this stuff. All right. You can learn this stuff. I'm waiting for you guys to hit the like button, create a like. Let's see how many we got already. Let's see how many likes we got. If we don't have up to what we needed, no, 12 is not enough, guys. What? Really? Let's see how many we've got. How many likes, and then we'll continue. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 34, 30. No, come on, let's make it 40. Let's go. Let's make it 40. 40 likes, and then we kick. I'm about to give you a strategy to get into this trade right now. Very, very soon. Now, this trade that is about to happen. Let's go. I mean, this one, there's something here I want to show you how to get it, because it's already going. And there's a pullback, which already first one tested. Secondly, it's going to be tested again, and then it's going to bam. By the time it tested again the second time, it's smashing up. Let me show you where it's going on the daily. Let me show you where it's going on. Oh, you see what it's doing on the daily already? Did you see that? This is where it's coming to on the daily. So you want to be able to catch that move to the upside right there. You want to catch it there, and that's about what I'm about to do. So I'm hoping it comes down a little bit, and we'll be able to catch it on the lower time frame. So I'm looking at it on 1 hour. Oh, look at that! Look at that! So it just tap into it and close like that, like that. Look at that! Wow! All right. Let's see. Okay. We're there. See how many we are. 44, 36. Okay. Let's make it 40 likes, and then we go 40 likes. Let's go 40 likes. Just 4 more likes. Let's go 4 more likes. We'll get ready. 4 more. 4 more likes. If you're watching, you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit it now, because you're going to turn on your bell notification. You can't turn on your bell notification until you subscribe. So when you subscribe, you can turn on your bell notification so you can receive alert as soon as I come live like this. You don't need to be, just know that you're getting it, and you can join us on the live stream anytime. Very important. So the first thing is to subscribe, and then hit the bell notification, turn it on so you can receive notifications. Very important. Okay, 4 more to go. Are we there now? Are we there yet? No, we are not there yet, so I'm still waiting. So if you don't want to hit the like button, then we're going to be here and just see what other pairs we're going to do. I'm not going to give you that until I see your like button. This is the trade I'm waiting for to mature, and it's not maturing yet. We have a bear. We set a bear notification. What do you call it? An alert. So we set an alert on that pair already. So now Euro USD. Let's look at Euro USD. Now looking at Euro USD, beautiful setup is playing out right here. Beautiful setup right here. I see that price broke structure. Now this was a previous liquidity low that was taken out. Okay, so we see price took out this low. Okay, and then created another liquidity pool there, which is a consolidation, like what GU is doing right now. So it's doing this. So this might be what GU want to do. So I'm waiting for something like this that GU would do. Okay, and then I wait for pullback into that zone before I look for opportunity to sell, because at that moment it's exhausted. So that means with this presence of the seller, it means that price will still want to go down. Okay, that's what that means to me. So for me, I would take it. Why? You look at what price has done before. Look at what price has done before. All right, let me show you something. You look at what price has done before. It creates a liquidity, smash down. What did it do? Pull back, sold again. Now this time it created liquidity, smash up, break structure to the upside, created a little drop, push higher, and then smash all the way down. Now this wasn't a trade. For me, the market is selling. This was a trap, because you can see that it sold. It bought for a while. And then when it did that, it broke several structures. So if you're trading market structure, you understand that this is now like a bullish momentum to the upside. But guess what? If you were waiting for a pullback, it never happened the way you wanted. So what happened? The market pullback created another low. So if you were not smart enough to understand structure, you will miss it. Where? Here. At that point, the market broke structure. So from buy to sell instantly, change of character. All right? It just happened right there at this candle. So this is the move that now broke the structure. So now we're looking at a new lower high right here. So if you don't understand what the market did here, you will not be able to trade this drop. Neither are you going to trade this drop. So that's where the training is. That's where the idea is. That's where you need to understand the market. Very important. You need to understand the market. Understand it. Understand it. Very important. Okay, let's look at. I'm just briefing this now. For those of you who are interested in joining our platform, the Telegram group, the link is in the description of this video. Join the Telegram group now. Mostly, I will encourage you to join the course, join the training, join the team. Take the course, is the cheapest in the market. And also join the mentorship, join the team, because we are going to be moving to a beautiful community very soon, where we'll be doing everything in there live. It's going to be awesome. We're going to be sending in analysis. We're going to have some elite traders in my team that are coming in there to be sharing their analysis as well. You're going to be learning a lot, both swing trade strategy, scalping strategy, and day trading strategy. We're going to be learning a lot on that. So get ready. So for now, you need to join the team. The link is in the description of this video. Check it. You see it. The link is in the description of this video. Okay. Let's look at something now. This pair is getting ready. First of all I need to do is to check what retracement level it has done. Now if you see this high to this high, this low, it's done. It's done. Just about what we needed. Is done. A very good retracement. Not bad. The retracement is good. That's good. That's good. So we need to watch out for that. So the next thing is, how do we cash this trade? How do we cash this trade? How do we not get in? Do we just jump in and start selling? No, that's not how you trade it. Let me see what this pair is doing. This pair has been very, very, very ugly throughout. Ugly pair. Gold. Oh, I missed this buy on gold this week. I should have caught this buy on gold. I missed it. Now gold started buying on Friday. Actually consolidated, and it pushed up to take out this liquidity here, and then it just kept moving. Although this is the break of structure, but not really strong break of structure. So it just kept going, and I think it's coming up here at the moment, which is 1948. Price may come to 1948 or 1952, but again, psychologically, it could get there, 1948, 1952. So first of all, you need to watch out for these psychological levels that price may come to, which is 1952. All right, 1952. So price may come up there, but we are still looking at 1948. 1948 could be a very sensitive area for price to react because we saw it there. Or 1944, 1948 or 1944, that could be a very sensitive area, right? Between 1948 and 1944 could be a TP area for now. If you're trading gold, ensure you get out of 1948, 1944. Get out of there if you're already on buy, because I can perceive it's going to smash down crazy. Maybe FOMC would do it. Yes, the link is in the description below still. Let me put the academy there so you can see it. I'll just share you the link. Bum, 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 bum. Here is the link. Tcbfx. Right there. Okay, you can get the course right there. Okay, that's the course. That's the link. Let me just share with you on the group. All right, the link is in the group right here on the comment section. You can see it if you're interested in joining. Now there are two strategies in this course, so be very careful to select wisely. There are two strategies on this course, two strategies. So and that's what I do. I combine. Now what I do now is I have both of them in one. So I have both in one now. So that's the advanced level. So I can put the both strategy in one trade and I'll be trading it. So except you understand my course, you will not understand how I'm looking at the market. Some of you, when you see me look at the market, it's like it's different all the time, right? I don't come with one specific way of seeing the market. You see me coming with different dynamism because the market is also dynamic. So you have to be able to see the market in the way it's showing you. Don't try to read your mind to it. Read what the market is saying. If the market is dynamic, your analysis of the market should be. If your analysis of the market is not dynamic, then that means you're not interpreting the market properly. So the market is dynamic, it's telling you things, and the more you see the market is telling you things, the more you want to go into it. So you're okay, this is what the market is telling me. This is what the market is telling me. I need to take that now. I need to take that now. Now, for those of you who are interested in taking the course, I can give you, just let me know in the comment. I'll give you a discount right away. I'll give you a discount right away, and you'll be able to. I'll create a discount code for you right away. If you're interested, I'll give you a discount off so you can get to register for such reduce. I can give you $50 off. Give you $50 off. You can sign up quickly if you're interested. For those of you interested in it, so that's what I'll do. So let's go to the chart. Now I'm looking at. Yes, there's a breakout of there. Beautiful. We saw it just break out of there, but it's still struggling. It's not strong enough. Then this is still pulling back. It's not strong enough. That's the only trade that we're looking to take right now. GU, let's quickly look at GU. It's struggling. Oh, GU is just it's not working. It's not responding right now. The only trade is Euro AUD that we're looking to actually catch. That's the only trade that actually is ready to play. So we're watching on that as GU is still playing around. Let me take some questions right now. Let's go. Hit me up. Hit me up on questions. Let's take some questions quickly. Woo! That was a long one there. Let's take some questions quickly. Hit me up with questions. Hit me up with questions. On anything, whether prop firm, whether trading, whatever you're thinking of. Hit me up with a question. Let's go. Yep. Listen, I guarantee you, if you, I'm not here to sell any course. I'm not here to sell my course. Really, I hardly promote my course. But when I come on here, I want to help people, so I talk about it. There's nothing wrong. But if you take my course, I guarantee you, if you have been struggling with trading, if you take my course, I guarantee you, your mind will open up. your eyes will be so clear. You will like, what? Okay, come on now. Some of you come to my analysis. You see my analysis here. You like the way I analyze. I see your comments. That's why I keep doing it, because you guys are encouraging me to do it. So I'm doing it for free. Not that I'm charging anyone, but it's good to see this analysis weekly. I do weekly analysis all the time. So you guys have been following me because of my weekly analysis forecast. Okay, I do weekly forecast. Now, these things, you can do them. You can. If you take the course and you follow the step by step on it, you'll be so shocked. Your mind will open up. You'll be so shocked. You'll be so shocked what you know, what is possible. I tell you what. Let me see the questions. Trading on a someone said trading on a 10K profile. What is the daily target or target? What's that to pass the profile? Listen, it depends on the percentage that you're giving. If you're giving, let me just quickly do a simple maths. If you're giving, if you have a 10K account, okay, that's 10,000. You have a 10,000 account to trade, and right now it's unlimited, right? I believe it's unlimited, 10K unlimited account. That's what you got. So first of all, remove the mindset of how many days will it take you to pass. You see, you need to remove that, because that can be a psychological hurdle, psychological trauma, psychological block that can hinder you from really trading it well. You could have problems because you're trying to say, I want to pass it this week, I want to pass it next week. That's why they made it unlimited now. You don't have to think like that, because a lot of people lose trade and lose account, blow the account because of that mindset. Oh, I have a short time. Oh, I have just 2 minutes. Oh, I have just 1 day. I have just that. No, remove that mindset. First is unlimited. You are not in a hurry. Put that to your mind. Tell your mind you are not in a hurry to pass this profit. You're not, except you are financially stressed. And let me explain this. If you are financially stressed, trading the profit is not the best idea, because you are financially stressed. You're going to be trading under duress. You're going to be trading under pressure. And trading under pressure is not good. As a trader, it's not good for you. It's going to destroy your psychology. It's going to destroy a lot of your confidence, because you're going to be losing. You'll be making rational decisions. You're going to be making decisions based on emotion. You get it? So you'll be making decisions that are not in consonance, in agreement with your trading plan, because you are in a hurry. So you need to be very careful. So the best thing is, don't be under financial pressure. Otherwise, get a job. If you are under financial pressure, why not get a job? Get a job. Because you see, trading is for life. It is not just for one. I need to talk to some of you. You need to join my team so I can have time to talk to you. Okay, now let's get this. So you have 10K account, unlimited. That's what you're thinking. So what? Then you are targeting 10%. That's what they say you should hit. You should hit 10%. Okay, that's your 10% goal, which is what? Your 10% goal right now is giving you $1,000. Okay, you're targeting $1,000. That's what you need to make as a profit. So $1,000. Just think, can I trade 10 days to make $1,000? Is it possible? Of course it is possible. So how much do I need to make per day? That's the answer. I just need to target 1%, a minimum. So I will say day one, target 1%. Or that is a ratio that will give you 1-to-1 or maximum 1-to-2. Let's say 1-to-1 at the moment. Risk to reward. That's what you need. A minimum. And that can be smashed like that. So you just need 10 trades. And accurately 10 trades in less than 30 days. You smashed it. No, we don't want to trade like that. No, we don't. No, we don't. You know what we want to do? We want to target 1 to 3 risk to reward. We want to target 1 to 4 risk to reward, 1 to 5, 1 to 6. And then when the market gives us 1-to-1, we don't take it because our brain has been wired in such a way, locked in. We're locked in our psychology that we need to target 1 to 3. It's locked in. So market give you 1-to-1. You won't take it. Market gave you 1 to 1.5. You are not going to take it. No, you're too greedy now. Market gave you 1-to-2. You didn't take it. Then market reversed back to 1-to-1. Reverse back to 0.5. Reverse back onto your entry. And now he's reversing back. He's taking you up. You say, oh God, why I should have taken my profit? I should have, okay, let me just wait. And now you close in a loss. You know what is wrong with you? Greed. That is greed gone on rampage. Trust me. I have seen that many times. I have to learn from my mistakes. Sometimes I'm in a trade like this. I'm looking at it. It's going. It's going in my favor. I say, wow. And I'm just looking at the form that the money is just getting bigger as it's going down. I will completely forget that I need to take profit. Completely forget. And I'm looking at the phone. Oh, let it just go. You see, greed is saying, let it go down more. Let it still drop. I need more blues. I'm waiting. And in my brain, you know what I'm calculating? Then I used to think like this. In my brain, I'm calculating. Oh, I'm looking for a way to add more position. Let it just pull back a little. So I'm not even thinking of taking profits. I'm thinking of adding positions. Greed is terrible. Stay away. Tell that greed to leave you. So let me take another question. Well done, sir. Please, which prop firm can you recommend? Okay, I'll come into that, Alami. Any other question? Joshi, you can. Let me see. Please, sir, your entry. How do you enter? Get the course. Get the training. Sir, I have an on GDP trade called yesterday. Yeah. You can still hold it. I called this GDP yesterday. Thank you for reminding me. I called the sale yesterday on my Telegram group. If you're not there, let me just show you where it is. Let's see. Hold on a minute. I wanted to share my screen, but it's just to show you where I caught the trade. Let me add more screen here. Give me a sec, guys. Okay. Okay, there is. Okay, you see it? That's it. All right. This is the trade I called. This is the trade they're asking me for. All right. Yesterday, this is the Telegram group. I called it yesterday. So the market has started ranging now. This was yesterday call. Look at it, September 18. Right? Telegram. Right? There's a Telegram shop. So if you're not in that group, join it. Okay. So yeah. That's it. That's it. So I called this trade yesterday, and this is the chat room. This is the chat forum. So people started responding to, where is it? Yesterday. There. All right. So now they are telling, someone is asking me now in this group who just joined, is asking me now, should they still hold the trade? Now, where was it yesterday when I called it? This is where price was when I called it. Let me see. Right here. Where's my replay? Okay. Look at the, if you look at the Telegram, the picture on it. Okay, that would be 30 minutes time frame, which is, you can see that. Okay. So that's when I called it. It was here, not here. It was here. Immediately I see this push up, touch that liquidity zone. Break, by taking out these two liquidity, I knew it was going to drop. So, but I know it was in a consolidation already. By this time, if you check the 4 hour, you will see that it was consolidating already. Why I asked, even when I called the trade, it was already consolidating. So that's what we did. So on the 30 minutes time frame, I issued that order that we're going to be selling there. Let me see. We're shorting right there. And then we put our stop loss right here, which is where it was. And we're targeting 1 to 2. So let's see if we should be holding. Well, you are in profit. Close out. If you're in profit, close it out. That's it. Does that answer the question? Because I closed that yesterday when the market closed. So I think I closed that when it dropped a little bit lower around here. So I closed that early. I didn't hold the trade till this morning. So close out. If you are in profit, close out. That's it. Because you should be in profit though. Okay, let's take more questions. Any other one? I have been on GDP. Yeah. I asked you to close now. Exit if you want. I was struggling, but now I'm free in trading. You're free in trading. That's good. Please add your entry. How do you do that? I said take the course. I just okay, morning, sir. Welcome. Ibrahim, welcome. Ibrahim. Well done, sir. Please, which platform? Okay, I'll recommend platform real quickly. Sir, please, I need your help. I always blow my account. Take the course. Join me in my team. That's where I can help you. Join in my team. Use the link in the description or in the comment section, whatever you want to do. Do that. And for those of you who are interested in let me see, you're interested in taking my course right now, I'm gonna give you a discount. For those of you who can take this discount and get in right now, then you got it. I'm gonna give you a discount right now on this course. I want to give you a discount code right now on this course. Give you 30% off. So on this course right now, and that will be for the first 10 people that will take it. You got it. First 10. We're not looking for a crowd. First 10 people, you got it. Okay. Any questions? Take the questions in. Let's bring it in. Now, this GU may drop even more. Okay. May drop even more. But at the moment, I'm not in. I'm not in, so don't force it. So let me put the code. For those of you, go to this site, right? When you scroll down, enroll today, okay? Use the coupon code that I'm sending you now and use it quickly. It's going to be coupon code is right there. Now it's going to expire in the next, by the end of today, it should be done. You won't be able to use it after today. So it's for those of you that are there, 30 people, that means 30% off. So you have 30% off on that. That means if you click enroll, I'm already signed in as the owner is already assisted. So you will see, you sign up for the course. You see, you have to sign up for the course. This is the indicator. This is the course. So you sign in there. That's where you get it. Then there's a way when you're signing up where you can put in your logins. Let me just sign out for a minute. Let's say you click enroll, and then it takes you to this level. So you put the coupon code, which is this one, and if you say apply, that's what you're getting. So you see, it just gave you $75 off instantly. So you can get the course right at this. And the advantage of this is that when you get the course, you have access to my mentorship team. I have a team. You will be able to join my mentorship team as well. So then you can be able to take some classes with us offline, okay? That we do. That's what you do. So that's what you need to do on that if you are in need of it. So now liquidity is being created here. I'm expecting them to smash down greatly. So they're going to smash down greatly. Okay, smash down greatly. But if you intend to leave your trade, leave it. If you are tired of holding, close in profit. Don't be greedy. There is so many opportunity in the market, guys. Don't be tight-fitted and say I must close in. No. There's nothing like that. Take the little profit that the market gives you, and then walk away. We're still looking at this trade. It's playing around. It's not giving us the opportunity. Now there's a pullback going on, which is going to really, really interest me. If the pullback happen, wow, we're going to get in. So let's see. GU is still playing around. So yes, let's take some questions, guys. Let me show you the profile I was talking about that I said I'm watching. I'm looking at them closely. It's called hold on a minute. Let me quickly check. Okay. Yes, this is a prop firm. It's called Instant. Listen, I'm not saying go and sign up with them right now, but you need to also watch because they look interesting. Okay. You can see it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Now, this prop firm, they're doing well. They're starting out well, but not too long. They've been just like every other one, apart from FTMO. Now, there is the payout system is very interesting. That's what I want to get your attention to. Let me go to the frequency question and answer sections. So they have multiple accounts. Okay, they have multiple accounts. That means they have phase one, which you only one phase you pass. They have phase two phases challenge you pass. Then Eastern account, you can get Eastern account funding. If you already know how to trade, you just get Eastern account funding. That's what that means. Now, withdrawal. The differences, scaling. They have scaling also. All the accounts you can scale. Once you hit 10%, they will use 5% of your 10% to scale you up. And if you don't like that, just take your 10% and walk away and let your account remain the same. It doesn't matter. It's a prop firm anyway. The aim of using a prop firm is to ensure that you trade it so that you can fund yourself. You trade it so you can fund yourself. That's the aim. Okay, how do I know I'll get paid and profit? So face payouts, funding rules, payouts. So let's go to withdrawals. Under withdrawals, you see, we understand that our traders have different preferences when it comes to withdrawing their funds. That is why with the deal to offer a convenient operation via deal, you can get your payout to your bank account, PayPal account, digital currency, whatever. Then they now said a signed contract withdrawal is generally processed within 24 business hours. And also your first payout is 14 days after your first trade. Your first payout is 14 days. And after your first payout, this reduced to 7 days. So you actually withdraw weekly. That's what they do. So they withdraw weekly. You can withdraw weekly. Okay. So I hope that's clear. Now the threshold, the minimum you must have on your account is $25 threshold. Okay. Now I'm not affiliated to them yet. I'm not affiliated to them. What I mean by that is I'm not I don't have an account with them yet. I'm watching. Since what happened to Prof my forest fund, I'm really watching. I'm watching closely. But there's no way that we can do without Prof firm anymore. Prof firm has come to normalize the market in such a way that we all need the fund to trade, isn't it? But if you have your own fund, don't bother. Period. And if you can trade, just need to put your skill in order. If you need fund, there are a lot of people that have money, they don't know what to do with it. A lot of people that have money, they don't know what to do with it. It's just that personally, I don't promote trading for people. For me, I believe that if you know how to trade for yourself. Now we have prop firms. Then I used to say, now we have prop firms. Why do you need somebody to give you money to trade? So, but again, we still have to end up trading for people. So at the end of the day, you must still build yourself up in that area of trading for people. But don't make it too loud. Don't get yourself too involved. You have to have a psychology for that. You have to be able to train yourself to know how to manage other people's money, because it's not easy. If you're trading for yourself, it's better. And if you're trading for prop firm, it's better than trading for other people. Because if you're trading for other people, that maybe your friends or relatives or someone who calls you, say is an investor, you have to be very smart. You have to have what it takes to be able to attract those kind of people. So, and then you must be good in profit making. You have to be consistent in your profits, at least, to be able to do that. You must have a track record to show to them anyway. So we have the instant funding. On the instant funding, you have these accounts. These are how much you can get them. So what I mean is that you have 10% drawdown overall. That means if you lose 10%, you lose the account. So there is no daily drawdown. That's the beautiful thing about this one. There's no daily drawdown. There is no limit, no maximum time or minimal time limit. You don't have that. Then your profit split is starting from 70, which is good compared to my forest fund funded account, direct account. This one is 70. Is even better than the rest of them. And you can scale up after about 2-3 months. You can start earning about 90% of it. That is an amazing thing. And the leverage is amazing. Normal leverage, good. So depending on the account you can afford to get, you can afford to fund the 500, whichever you pick it. and then it will take you in. So now the Trust Pilot, I went to their Trust Pilot. I went there. You know, I normally would do. They don't have up to 1,000 subscriber review yet. They don't have up to 1,000 review, but the reviews, as low as it is wonderful. It's beautiful. I like it. Time will not permit me to go into all of that. You do that yourself. And that's why I said I'm watching. I'm watching them. I'm watching. If I'm taking an account with them, it's going to be funded account. I'm going to just get maybe 20, 40K funded account. I might get that within 20 to 40. And my aim is just to trade. And for now, I don't want to go for the highest because I need to know how they pay. So if I start with 20 and I know how they pay, I will scale it up to 40. Then if they are paying well, I will scale it up to the 80. Then from that 80 mark, I will start scaling based on percentage, whatever. But at the moment, yeah, I'm watching. So that's the first one. The next one that I have in mind to share is what's it called? FFT. Is it FTT? What do you call it? FFT. True Forest Fund. Is it True Forest Fund? Yes. It's called True Forest Fund. Okay. This one is also good. So far, the payout is crazy. They're doing an amazing job. But daily drawdown is not okay. Which one is daily drawdown? On what? On which one? On which one? On which one? If you're going for one phase, yes. That, except you're going for one phase. Many of them do that. Many of them give. In fact, this one is even not bad. This one is 3%. I think my folded FX is doing 4% on the. I'm not sure, 4% and then 6% here. You see, my folded FX is doing 6% here and 4% here. So which one will you go for? You choose. All right. Then you see this one. This one is two phase. Just if you don't, just stick with the two phase. All right. Stay with the two phase if you want that. Otherwise, go for instant funding. Because one phase, I don't like one phase. I don't like this phase because of the trick. Guess what? You can remove the 3%. You read the rules. There's a way you can remove it. It can be removed after your first payout. Immediately your first payout is issued, you will not write to them. They will remove the 3% drawdown. They'll remove it completely. Yeah, I read it. I read something like that. Okay. Now, don't sign up on it yet. Go to that Discord. For those of you in my team, I'll send you all the link, all the information. Go to that Discord group and then just check it out. Check it out first. Stay there and just check and watch. That's the best advice I would tell you. My True Forest Fund, the same thing. They've been on ground. They've been doing some good job. Go to their Discord group, study them. That's the first thing you do. You study them. Look at their payout. Look at the people. Are they complaining? All right. Look at their Trust Pilot. All right. Trust Pilot are people happy? Are they commenting well? Are they doing good reviews? That's what you want. So whatever account you want on this stage, phase 1, phase 2, you take it. This one doesn't have funding account. Now on phase 1 of this, maximum drawdown, maximum daily loss is 3%. And then this one is 6%. Overall loss is 6%. So, but even though their profit split is 80-20, okay, which is also aligned with that because this guy is 80-20. All right. Phase 2 is 80. So I think this is even better. This one is better because it's 10% drawdown, maximum drawdown, 10%. And this one can be removed. You can remove this 3% after you get funded. All right. I think that's it. Consummate. What do you have to say about Consummate? I have not done review on Consummate at the moment. They are new pro firms, and I think they need time to grow, time to learn. People need time to grow and time to study them. and it's a lot to learn in the profile industry. Trust me, it's a lot to learn. So with my consummate, you need to, especially if you are in West Africa area, that's a good profile you want to look into, because easy transfer, especially if you are even from the country where it's established, it's easily for you to sign up, get your money back to back like that, But again, the credibility is what matters. So they need to build on that as well. Because if you go to Trustpilot and you compare Consummate with other profile that I'm talking about, you will like, what's going on here? That's the question. What's happening? So for me, that's what they need to just build, that credibility. And once that credibility is there, I'll be the first to talk about them anyway. And that credibility, where that there's so much people coming in and they're happy. I like when people are happy. It's something I like to promote, because I have students that who want to, they're investing their money. They want to be happy as well. My forest fund was the top. Where is it now? So it's not about actually what that means. It's not about actually what I'm trying to say, like it's credible or not credible. Consummate is just starting, and they are doing well so far. I mean, they started well. They started well on a very good note. They are able to pay out. I can see some payout notifications on their group, which is very good. So stick with them if you are getting paid. Why not? Try it. As long as you get paid and you don't have problem with anything that has to do with slippage or spread, that's it. It's as simple as that. Now, if you didn't close on your trade on GU, it's going back up now, because that's what it's doing. It's trying to push up before it drop. That's what I analyzed earlier. His aim is to push up and drop. Let's see if we have our trade running now. It's not ready yet. It's still playing around. So that's the only trade we can take right now. I'm going to send the analysis of that trade into the group. For those of you joining the Telegram, go on now and join it, because I'm going to send the analysis into the Telegram. That's the only way you can get it. So I believe you guys enjoyed this section today. You love it. So I'm gonna end the stream because it's getting too long, so that people will not be tired. And many of you are already tired because the market is consolidating, no trades, no setup yet. So you stay away and watch. But meanwhile, if you want to trade any of this profile, be careful. Just do your research. That's all. All right. If any question is, please let me know in the comment section. Hit me up. Hit me up in the Telegram group. Hit me up. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, and you will have a feel of what it's like. So if there are no more questions, no more comments, I'm going to love you guys to leave now. I'll see you in another live stream. Wait for it, because I will announce it. Let me see. Somebody's asking a question. Is that a question or a comment? Hold on a minute. Let me see. Someone just asked a question. Oh, just say thank you. Okay, I've already answered, Consummate. Well, when is your birthday? Mike is asking, when's my birthday? It's already passed. That'll be next year. May 16th is always my birthday. May 16th. Lisa, how do you handle anxiety when you are trading? The problem with anxiety is because you're risking what you can afford to lose. When people get anxious about trade, because you're risking too much. That's just the first thing. Check your lot. Why are you risking too much? Haven't you seen some funny animation videos that people show? There's a guy sitting in front of a computer and he's selling. He has several lot size on it, and he's saying, he's looking. The next thing, the thing moves down and say, oh no. That's it. You're risking too much. And the account is blown. Go and watch several videos of how people have blown accounts. I can share you some of them with you. You see, his lot size is huge. He's just on a $100 account. Is leveraging on 1 to 1,000. on a $100 account. He's leveraging on it. So he put in 2 standard lots on a $100 account. My God. My God. 2 standard. So why would your mind not go up and down? Anxiety will come. So the way to handle it is, listen, start trading little lot size, okay? Trade little by little. Build your confidence up. Build your confidence up. Start with small. It doesn't matter how much you have in your account, but trade little by little. Trade little lots. Risk little percentage. Very important. Risk little by little. Don't just go out there and be putting all the money in. You want to make 10 times of your balance today. No. Some people want to make 100% back instantly. No. I know you have to take risk, but not everybody have the mindset for risk. Listen, 90% of the people, in fact, 80% of the people trading, let me just say 90% would be too much, but 80% of people trading in the forex market don't even have the heart for it. They don't have the risk management, the risk appetite. They don't have the risk mindset for it. They don't know that they should be here to take risk. You got to be here to take risk. And if your heart is not ready for that, you train it. You train your mind. If your mind is not ready for it, you train it. You train your emotion to be ready to take risk. And it takes time. You build it up. If you said it's forex must be where you want to learn to make money, then train your mind to accept risk. You train it. You grow it gradually. You stop. You see, you start little. As you build confidence in getting money back, you're making, as far as your system works, you see, test your system. If your system is profitable by just trading little lots and see it profitable, by the time you can record consistency for 3 months, profitability, not that you will not have a loss, you will, but you could see at each of the months you are profitable, 5%, 10%, 8% profit, 9% profit, 15, whatever you can get. You can see that is coming in consistently. Then the next thing is to up your game. Then you will need to up your game. That atmosphere of upping your game, that's when you're not putting in the lots. You can start trading bigger because you know your system works. Now you can risk more. But many of you are not sure about your system and you are risking a lot. And that's why your mind is everywhere. Anyway, join the class. There's so much to learn from there. Join the training, join the course. So guys, lastly, you got use this coupon code. Where is it? I send it into the link in the description below. Use the coupon code. You'll be able to get, or contact me. You'll be able to get information about coupon code that I send. Again, the coupon code to get in there is right here. And the website is this one. Okay, that's the website. Go and register for the course. And when you do, send me a message on my Telegram. You'll be able to get in touch with me. Okay. And I will sign you up into the mentorship. Thank you, guys. I'll see you later. I hope you guys enjoy the trading week. Be careful. FOMC is coming.